Hello, dear friendly Manitoba. I'm so glad that I can be connected with you. I'm so glad that you are connected to the global community and the global community is connected to you. I'm so thankful for all the blessing that has been coming out of Canada, have been coming out of Manitoba. The prayers, the support, encouragement, and so much more. And feeling this connection with you, I want to invite you to Brazil this year. Brazil is warm, has beautiful beaches, friendly people, and really good restaurants. But of course, that's not the only reason I want to invite you to Brazil. After 2 years of, let's call it, a non-voluntarily solitude, we think it's time together as global community again to come together and pray, plan, encourage each other, and much more. In 1988, quite a few years ago, 1988, in Brazil, Curitiba, Brazil, there was an MB mission conference. And in this conference, the idea of ICOMB, the idea of creating a global community was born. This conference was called Despertar 88, meaning awakening. We think that after what we experienced the last year, after what we are seeing around us and on our globe, we think it's time to come together and look for a new awakening. So we want to call this gathering Despertar 22. We want to pray together. We want to reflect, to learn, encourage each other, listen to each other, looking for a new awakening. Awakening in our personal life. Awakening for the life in our local church. Awakening in the gatherings and life and fellowship in our conferences, regional, national, but also in our global community.